to you. My name is Soria Stephen. I'm going to be teaching you guys on a very important topic in mathematics, which is what? Inequalities. Now, when we talk about inequalities, what does it mean? We have two words. We have the in and what? Equalities. Now, look at this. Inequalities. Now, what does equality mean? Equalities means what? Equation. Now, when we say equation, what does equation mean? Equation is what? Those expressions that have the sign equal to. So when we talk about equation, we talk about anything that has the sign equal to. Now, inequalities, what does it mean? Inequalities is the opposite of what? Equation. So it means equation is equal to, inequalities means not equal to. So when we say inequalities, we're talking about not equal to. That is this side. Now, not equal to, we have four expressions under the not equal to. The first one is what? The greater than. The next one is what? The less than. The next one is what? Greater than or equal to. Then the last one is what? Less than or equal to. Now, what are the signs? We have the greater than, the less than, we have the greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. Now, these signs used to cause problem those days for us in our school, because the problem is which of them is greater than, which of them is less than. Those days they will tell us that our left hand is greater than, our right hand is less than, but you don't need to remember this one. All you need to do is that you just watch me. We have something like this. Look at this sign. This sign now, we begin to ask yourself, is this sign greater than, is this sign less than? Watch this. If you look at this place, the distance between these two, as it's continuing going inside, you see that the distance between the lines are what? Reducing. So what it means is that this person here is greater than the person here. So if I say x here and I put y here, so what it means is that this x is actually greater than this y, because the space between these two is bigger than here. So I can rewrite it from the other side and say y is less than what? X, because y, the smaller side is pointing this way, less than what? X. So now the next thing I'm going to talk about is how is this useful? Because another challenge we have in mathematics is that we are learning a lot of equations, we are learning a lot of things, we don't know what we can use them for. Now, inequalities, do we apply it? Yes, we apply it in our everyday life. Now, look at this. I have these two books. I can now be able to compare. Okay, look at these two books. Now, by the time I weigh the two of them, I'll say that this one is actually heavier than this. So what I will say is that I'll say this book is greater than this, even without saying the weight of each of them. So that is how we apply inequalities in our everyday life. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.